In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nano Banana AI, Google AI Studio. To get started, open your browser and search for Google AI Studio. Once the search results appear, click on Google AI Studio to open the platform. This will take you to the workspace where you can begin creating with image-capable AI models. After you're inside Google AI Studio, look for the default model selector near the top of the interface and click on it. This is where you choose which model you want to work with. From there, select Images so the available image generation models are shown. Next, choose any Nano Banana model you want to use. If you're not sure which one to pick, that's okay. You can start with any available option and test the results as you go. Once your model is selected, move down to the prompt area. If you want to upload an image to use as a reference, click the plus icon in the prompt section. This is useful if you want the AI to follow a certain style, composition, or visual idea. If you don't need a reference image, you can skip that and go straight to the text prompt. Now type in your prompt. Be as clear and specific as possible so the model understands what you want to create. You can describe the subject, style, lighting, colors, background, or any other important details. Even without a reference image, a strong prompt can make a big difference in the final result. When everything looks ready, click Run to generate your image. After the image is created, you can continue refining it by typing in changes or edits you want Nano Banana to make. This makes it easy to improve the result without starting over from scratch. That's the full process for using Nano Banana AI inside Google AI Studio. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a very quick and flexible workflow.